Welcome to Koinamed India Private Limited. Today we will let you know how to install the table. Step 1. You need to install the head section on the head side. Here we have provided you 2 holes to make the pin insert of the head section. Here are 2 pins are provided to insert them in the hole. You need to tighten those clamps from both of the sides. Now you have to put the leg section on the leg side. Here we have also provided you 2 holes to insert the leg section on this side. Firstly, you need to tighten the clamp and then you can adjust the leg section with this knob. Now you have to put the other leg section in the hole, tighten the clamp. You can see all the section of the table is installed. Now we're gonna put the mattress over the tabletop. First we will put the head section. Now you need to put the mattress over the back section. We will put all the mattress like this. We will put the standard accessories on the tabletop. Now we will put the shoulder support. Firstly, we will put the clamp on the side railing and then the side support. Same we will do for the another side. And now we will tighten the clamp. We will put the another clamp and then we will set the arm board. The mattress over the arm board. Stick it with the velcro. Here the armrest is installed. Same we will adjust on the another side. We will put the another clamp for the side support and put the side support like this and then tighten the clamp. The same procedure on the other side. We will place the another clamp and place the anesthesia screen. And again we need to tighten the clamp. You need to put the clamp for the leg section. This kind of clamp will be provided to you. You need to loosen it and then place it on the railing. चलो समझने वाले इतने समझदार हो तो ऐसे ना हो ना. वो एक समझदार देखी थी, बोलने पे भी फोन करे जा रही है, पर्सनल पे कर रही है. We need to follow the same procedure on the other side for installing the another lithotomy crutches. This is how your table is installed. You can have a close look.